The E32 error code is an indication that there's a defect in the pressure sensor calibration of a Frigidaire washer. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including a blocked or damaged air pressure tube, uneven laundry distribution, a defective pressure switch, faults in the wiring, or a defective control board. To fix the issue, start by inspecting the air pressure tube for any clogging or damage, and clean or replace it as necessary. It's also essential to balance the laundry load by alternating between small and heavy clothing to ensure even pressure distribution. Additionally, inspect the pressure switch by disconnecting the hose and checking for any damage, and replace it if necessary. Check the wiring for any damage and replace the wires if needed, ensuring a stable power supply and proper connections. If the issue persists after checking the wiring and switch, it may be a sign of a damaged control board, which would need to be replaced. By following these steps, the E32 error code can be resolved, and the Frigidaire washer can function properly again.